this is your sign to become an affiliate or content creator kasi sobrang daming mga brands ang possible na mag-reach out sa'yo. Sobrang generous talaga ni Unilever and sobrang dami kong nauwi. So, ito yung exclusive PR kit namin. I was invited by Miss Jo from Buy Social. Meron pa events si Unilever. Ito yung beauty next nila. So, the Beauty and Well-Being Creator and Affiliate Open House. Yesterday, May 24, 2026. Event namin is sa Mandawi Bay, the 10th. Today, papakita ko sa inyo yung exclusive PR kit na na-receive ko from Unilever. So, ito yung thank you card nila and ang bango nung card. So, ang nakalagay dito is, ayan, ang nakalagay dito, hello.
Thank you for celebrating beauty with us today. Inside this kit is a small token of our appreciation. Pieces of the experience for you to take home. Create and share your beauty next experience using the hashtag Beauty Next Open House and tag Vaseline, Clear, Sunsilk, Dove, Cream Silk, and Pond's.
First, have the Sunsilk Strong and Long Shampoo. Imagine na hindi sa siya binibigay nila, 'di ba? Have the Vaseline Gluta Hyaluron Burst Lotion Dewy Radiance. Kung na kailangan pumunta ng Watsons para mamili. Have the Clear Men Care for Easy Styling. Dove Ceramide Intense Repair Damage Expert. So, ito yung protective nourishing oil nila. Imagine, magkano to? Cream Silk Repair Booster Treatment. So, Amino Keratin Ribbon Straight. Bright Miracle Ultimate Clarity. Sorcinol. Sorcinol. Fast absorbing nila na lotion from Vaseline. Stickers from Cream Silk. SPF lotion din from Vaseline. And last, meron pa palang last. This one. Paper bag pa lang. Hindi tinipid. Thank you so much, Unilever. It's your time to shine. Huwag kang mahiya. Mag-video ka, mag-shoot ka, mag-upload ka. And malay mo may mag-reach out din sa'yo ng mga brands. Sobrang sulit talaga nung pag-attend ko ng event.